Hello friends, welcome back to EcoPlants. In today's video, I will share with you the complete step-by-step guide to growing brinjal, also known as eggplant. Brinjal is very popular vegetable in Asian and European cooking. It is very easy to grow, productive, and can be grown both in garden and container. By the end of this video, you will know everything about soil preparation, planting, watering, fertilizing, pest control, and harvesting brinjal. So let's get started. Brinjal belong to Solanaceae family, just like tomato and peppers. There are many varieties: long purple variety, round green or purple variety, and small white egg-shaped varieties. Brinjal are rich in fiber, antioxidant, and vitamins. Brinjal love warm weather and ideal temperature 22 to 30 degrees Celsius. Cannot tolerate frost, so plant after frost season is over. Soil requirement is well drained sandy loam soil and pH is between 5.5 to 6.5. Enrich with compost or well rotted manure. You can start brinjal from seed indoor or directly in soil. Step first is soak seed in warm water for 12 to 24 hours before sowing. This helps fast germination. Sow seed in seed tray or small pots about 1/4 inch deep. Germination take 7 to 10 days. And step fourth is provide warm and sunlight. Transplanting. When seedling are 4 to 6 week old and about 10 to 15 semi-tall, transplant them to main garden or containers. Keep spacing of 18 to 24 inch between plants. Choose a sunny location. Brinjal needs 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. For containers, choose at least 20 to 50 inch deep pot. Mix compost, garden soil, and sand for good drainage. Plant seedling carefully without disturbing root. Watering and fertilizing. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged. Water 2 to 3 times a week depending on weather. Avoid overweight watering. Always water at base. Fertilizing. At planting time, apply compost or organic manure. During growth, apply liquid fertilizer every 15 to 20 days. At flowering and fruiting stage, use fertilizer rich in phosphorus and potassium for better fruits. Stacking and cares. A tall brinjal plant may be bent due to the heavy fruits. Support them with stake or bamboo sticks. Mulch the soil with dry leaves or straw to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Remove yellow or drainage leaf to keep the plant healthy. Common pests and diseases. Brinjal plant are prone to pests, so regular monitoring is important. Shoot and fruit borer. Control by removing affected fruit and spraying neem oil and aphids or white flies. Spray soap water or neem oil. And third is leaf spot or wilt disease. Avoid overwater and waterlogging. Some tips: growing marigold near brinjal reduce pest attack naturally. Flowering and fruiting. Brinjal start flowering in 6 to 8 weeks after transplanting. Flower are purple and attractive. Fruits appear after pollination. And pollination improve fruit set if bee are less active. Harvesting. Brinjal fruit are ready to 60 to 80 days after transplanting. Harvest when fruit are shiny, firm, and about medium size. Do not wait too long. Overripe fruit become bitter and hard. Cut fruit with a sharp knife or scissor instead of pulling. Bonus tips and uses. Grow brinjal with tomatoes, bean, and marigold. They are good companion. And avoid growing with potatoes. They share diseases. And brinjal can be grilled, roasted, or used in curries. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more fruits. So friends, that's was the complete step-by-step guide to growing brinjal successfully at home. If you enjoy this video, give it like and share with your friends and subscribe to EcoPlants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.